devil in disguise. Devil in disguise.
So let's get into this installation video. First, we will head on to the browser. I will give the link in the description below for the download of the Safari web browser for Windows. It is completely free, and here after clicking it will automatically start to download, and if not, then here click on alternative download and you can download it. It is of 36.7 MB file. You can save this file. I have already downloaded, so I will cancel it. And here it is a Safari setup. Let me bring up, and here you can see. And if you are wondering this mouse pointer of a Mac and how did I get, so I have made another video on this, how to get that. So it will be given on the top right corner I button. You can check this out. So here you can see you will click on run. It will install. Windows installer is installing, and here Safari installer is here. Click on next. I accept terms, next, and then install. Give it a while, it will install. First it will ask for permissions. Click on yes. Installing Apple software update. It will take time, and I will head you up when it is installed. So a quick update. I just came here to remind you one thing. During this installation it will stop for a while and then ask for another permission. You just click on yes and it will start. Congratulations, it has now been successfully installed to your computer. So let's check it and then we will open it again, and then let's open Safari web browser. Let's see how it works on Windows. Okay, so it is running. You can see also here. It will first open the Apple site. Let me full screen it. Let us search anything other than this. Okay, so here we can search my name. You can go to this site. So you can see it is running. YouTube has opened, and here you can see a red button. You can click on it. It will help you to get a better view of this Safari web browser. So do that as quickly as possible. So you can see it is running everything. Yeah, it is opening fast. It's much better. So yeah, you can see it is running fine. If you have any problem, just let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you out. And you can also see the mouse pointer video. It is given top right corner I button. So that was in this video. Hope you like this video, and I will see you up in the later another video. And tell me inside the comment section you like this type of videos or not. So that's for today. See ya, bye bye in the next video, and peace.